the El Capitan. Well, that is a long wait. 40 minutes for Mickey and Minnie's Runaway Railroad. I don't think I'm gonna do that. Even though it doesn't look like it's 40 minutes, it looks like it's short. I don't know. Maybe I'll pop in there and check. It sure looks shorter than 40 minutes. Thank you. Let's go see. Is it really 40 minutes? Looks more like it's 5 minutes. Hopefully we can this up. Q. Alright, we are in the line for Mickey and Minnie's Runaway Railroad. And there is the wizard. Ooh, look at his cap levitating. Ah, look at, there's Mickey on his birthday. Happy birthday, Mickey. Mickey's birthday party. Ooh, Jack and the Beanstalk. Princess, the Prince and the Pauper. Yeah, that's cute. Look at that, Prince and the Pauper. I would love to have those two characters and those clothes in my house.
For all my friends who are in the front, please make sure you're not leaning on or touching that silver railing. Once again, do not lean on or touch.
Hi, Goofy! Well, beautiful day for a picnic. Yep, we're off to the park. See you all later. Nothing can stop us now. Let me trouble. Oh, hiya, folks. Want to take a ride on the train? Excuse me, you there. Do you mind helping these good people into the cartoon while I fix this here locomotive?
I know. Do you guys want to go on a train ride?
Yeah! You'll be back in a jiffy to pick you all up. Come on.
Yeah, you're a lot further north than where we are.
Can you all hear me way back in the back? Welcome aboard, folks. We're ready for a relaxing ride around the park. Hiya, folks. Oh no! I must have hit that track switch! Wait! This is all my fault! gonna go wrong.
Nothing can stop us now. I'm
Please hit the like button, subscribe, and hit the notifications button. Thank you very much.